Howdy, folks. We are live at 1:05 p.m. battling for Matt's Bestman Luke, Yoda, and Artoo. I got 42 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Going to paste them in there. There they are. I got a period down here at the bottom, which is 43. 42 spots. There they are. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. I get a 7. So we are good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. I'm going to get right to it. Gene, round 1. And round 2. And round 3. Darren, round 4. Gene again on top in round 5. Andrew, round 6. And our winner is Gene in at number 42. Congratulations, Gene. Here's the verification code to finish results. OXNXMP. Gene Tuznik in at number 42 is the champ of Matt's Dagobah Fun Time battle. I'm done at 106 on a Sunday afternoon. There it is. Again, here's the official results and the winner. Congrats. See you next time, guys. Thanks.